Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. We are in Publix so I can show you the best deals that you can pick up this week, which is July the 15th through the 21st. Really good deals going on this week, so let's go ahead and get started. So this first deal that I'm going to tell you guys about is on the Listerine mouthwash. I have been waiting patiently for a deal to come up on these. So this week they're on promo for $2 off instantly when you purchase one, and the price for one of these is $7.79. So I'm actually going to pick up four. My total for four of these at $7.79 each will come up to $31.36. So I'm going to save $8 instantly, which is $2 off of each bottle at the register. And then I'm going to use these $2 coupons that I picked up from my dentist office. I have been holding these for months. I'm going to use four of these. That's going to take off another $8. I'm going to pay $15.16 out of pocket. But then we do have a brand new Activate Rewards rebate. It's the back to school one. I will have it linked down in the description box. So when I purchase $30, which I did, I'm going to get back $10 there. So that is going to make my final price for all four of these just $5.16, or about $1.29 per bottle. So you can still use this deal if you want to get Listerine. We don't get many deals on them. It'll be $31.16 for four of them. After the instant savings, you're going to pay $23.16 out of pocket, but then you're going to submit for that rebate and get the $10 back. It will be $13.16 for all four, or $3.29 each. This week the Crest toothpaste is on sale for $4. You can pick up one of these. It does not matter what area that you're in because they're not BOGO this week. So picking up one of them for $4, we have a $2 digital coupon and $2 back on IBOTTA if you still have that offer. Mine reset, so picking that up and submitting to IBOTTA is going to make one of these completely free. Now another Crest deal that you can do is picking up the value 2-packs, which are also on sale for $4. So you can pick up two of these for $8. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3 out of pocket. Then these are attaching to that same $2 IBOTTA rebate, so you'll get back $2, making the final price $1 or just 50 cents per 2-pack. And I scanned these in IBOTTA. This one is not attaching, but this one is. So if you decide to do this deal, make sure that you pick up this one. And if you pick up any of the Crest products, make sure that you submit your receipts to Stocking Spree because these are participating products. If you need cleaning products this week, there's a couple different deals going on. So the soft scrub cleanser, the 24 ounce is on sale 2 for $6, as well as the 4-count dual cubes. So what you can do is grab one of each for $6. And then over on IBOTTA, we have $1 back on each one. And then also a 75-cent bonus when you pick up one of each of the products. So that's going to take your total down to $3.25 for both products, or $1.62 each. And if you need spray cleaners, these particular Clorox cleaners are buy one get one for $4.39 and then $4.49. No rebates or coupons that we have, but it's a decent deal if you need it. We have a really good deal on the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. So they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one for $5.99. So you want to pick up 4 bottles. So picking up 4 of these, your total will be $23.96 before the sale. After the sale, it will be $11.98. If you still have this 5 off of 20 digital coupon, that coupon will come off, taking your total down to $6.98 for 4 of these, or $1.74 each. So the dryer sheets are also buy one get one this week, so you can pick and choose between which ones you want to pick up. But for example, if you decide to pick up the ones for $4.59, you can do that to add in with the detergent. The total for all 4 of these will be $21.16 before the sale. After the sale, it's $10.58. So that 5 off of 20 digital coupon will still come off because your pre-sale total was over the $20. That's going to take your total down to $5.58 for all 4 items, or $1.40 each. The Dawn dishwashing liquid is on sale for $4.99, as well as the Dawn Power Wash. We do have a $1 digital coupon that will make your final price $3.99. And also there's a promo going on of save $10 instantly when you spend $40 worth of these products, so you can put together a deal using these products that are listed right here. The Febreze air sprays are still on sale this week for $3.50 or 2 for $7. You can pick up 2 of them, use that $3.50 digital coupon. Your final price will be $3.50 for both, and they are a part of this promo. And some of these items are participating items for Stock and Spree. The Swiffer is not, so keep that in mind when you're putting together your deals. But whatever you pick up, make sure you submit your receipts for tracking. I also wanted to mention that the in-store promo is an instant savings, so whatever coupons you use will not affect it. You just need to get $40 worth of items and your coupons will still come off. The pull-ups are buy one get one this week for $10.49. If you live in a half BOGO area, you can pick up one of these for just $5.25. Check the Publix app because we do have a $1.50 digital coupon. That is going to take your total down to $3.74 for one pack. If you live in a true BOGO area, that means you have to pick up your items in even numbers. So pick up 2 of these for $10.49. After that $1.50 digital coupon, your final price will be $8.99 or $4.50 per pack. The Huggies diapers are also buy one get one this week, so the cheapest ones that you can pick up would be the Snug and Dry, which are buy one get one for $10.29. If you live in a true BOGO area, pick up 2 of them. Use this $1.50 digital coupon. That's going to take your final price down to $8.79 for both, or just $4.40 each. If you live in a half BOGO area, you can pick up one of these for $5.14. So that $1.50 digital coupon, your final price will be $3.65 for the pack. The Lance crackers are buy one get one for $4.79. If you live in a half BOGO area, you can pick up one of them for $2.40. We have a $1 digital coupon that's going to make your final price just $1.40. If you live in Florida, you have to pick up 2 of these for $4.79. After the $1 digital, you pay $3.79 for 2 of these, or $1.90 per box. The Lay's kettle cooked chips are buy one get one this week for $4.29. You can pick up 2 of them, and if you still have your offer over on Fetch Rewards for $2 back on each bag, it will make your final price just 29 cents for both, or about 15 cents per bag. So this is a decent deal on salad dressing if you need it. The Wishbone is buy one get one for $3, as well as the Kraft is buy one get one for $2.99. The Old El Paso dinner kits are buy one get one free this week, so I'm actually going to pick up 2 of these, the ones that are $5.09, and then I'm going to submit my receipt over to Fetch Rewards for 30 cents back for purchasing 5. It's going to make them $4.79 for both of them, or about $2.40 per box. The Pillsbury cinnamon rolls are buy one get one this week for $2.79. I'm going to pick up 2 of them. I have this $1.50 digital coupon and $1 back on Fetch Rewards, which is going to make 2 of them just 29 cents, or about 15 cents each. The Totino's Ultimate Pizza is buy one get one for $3.19. You can pick up 3 of these if you live in a half BOGO area for $4.78. We have this 50-cent digital coupon that you can use. So you pay $4.28 out of pocket, but then you're going to submit your receipt over to IBOTTA for $1 back when you pick up 3 of them, making the final price $3.28 for all 3 of these. So I decided to go ahead and do a General Mills deal because I'm picking up all of these items. So all of these items total up to $20.55 before the sale. After the sale is $10.27. So I have a $1.50 coupon for the Pillsbury, 50-cent coupon for the Totino's. So I'm actually going to pay $8.27 out of pocket. I'll receive back $1 from IBOTTA for the Totino's pizza, and then from Fetch Rewards I'm going to receive a combined total of $1 $2.30 for the Old El Paso and the Pillsbury. That is going to make my final out of pocket $5.97. But then I'm going to submit for that rebate of spend 20 and get back a $10 Publix gift card. Again, we only have a few days left, so if you want to do this deal, you want to do it this week. So that is going to make the final price for all 7 of these items free plus a $4.03 moneymaker. The Wonder Snacks are buy one get one this week for $3.25, so pick up 2 of them. Submit to IBOTTA for this 35-cent rebate when you pick up 2. Then over to Fetch Rewards, submit your receipt for 800 points or 80 cents back on each one. It's going to make the final price $1.30 for both or 65 cents per box. The Wonder Buns are buy one get one this week for $3.99. I'm actually going to pick up one of them for $2. We have a 50-cent digital coupon. That's going to make my final price just $1.50. If you live in Florida and you need to pick up 2 of them, do that. At $3.99 minus that 50-cent digital, it would take your total down to $3.49 for both or just $1.75 per pack. The President whipped cream is buy one get one for $6.49. If you live in a Hafova area, grab one of them for $3.25. After using this $1 digital coupon, your final price will be $2.25. If you live in Florida, grab 2 of them. Use that $1 digital. Your final price will be $5.49 or $2.74 each. The Springer Mountain Farm chicken strips are buy one get one for $4.79. You can pick up 2 of them, and if you receive their emails that they send out monthly, you can use 2 of these printable coupons. That is going to make your final price $1.79 for both or just 90 cents per bag. The packs of ground chicken burgers or the packs of just the ground chicken are also on sale this week for $3.99. If you want to, you can use this same coupon. You can grab a pack of these for $2.49. So here's a look at my receipt of everything that I picked up this week. All of my coupons came off just fine, and it left my total at $41.21 that I paid out of pocket. So I received back a total of $1 from IBOTTA, $1.36 from Fetch Rewards, and then I will receive back $10 back for the General Mills rebate, and then $10 back for the Activate Rewards rebate for the Listerine. So that brings my grand total down to just $18.85 for everything that I picked up this week. If you have any questions about anything in today's video, be sure to drop them down in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and share this video out to a friend. And also do not forget to hype the video up as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one.